हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। तो आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 1 में हमारा अगला टॉपिक दैट इज स्टेबिलिटी फैक्टर फॉर एमिटर बायस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। So here we have our emitter bias configuration and we are going to follow the same 3 steps as we have seen in the previous video. So सबसे पहले we are going to apply KVL in the input part of the loop. So we are going to get the equation as VCC minus IBRB minus VB minus IERE is equal to 0. Now we know that IE is equal to IC plus IB. तो हम लोग IE की वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे and we are going to get the equation as VCC minus IBRB minus VB minus ICRE minus IBRE is equal to 0. Now from here we can calculate the value of IB, which is equal to VCC minus VB minus ICRE by RB plus RE. And इसको हम लोग equation 1 मान रहे हैं. Now we have our equation that we have to use in the step 2, that is IC is equal to beta times IB plus beta plus 1 times ICBO. And यहाँ पे हम लोग IB की वैल्यू को पुट कर देंगे. So we are going to get our equation which is this and we are going to name it as second equation. अब step 3 में we have to differentiate this equation with respect to IC. So this part is going to be equal to 1 as you can see here. Now beta by RB plus RE is our constant. तो इसको हम लोग बाहर निकाल लेंगे and we are going to differentiate VCC minus VB minus ICRE with respect to IC plus beta plus 1 times and then we are going to differentiate our reverse saturation current with respect to IC. Now after differentiation you can see that यहाँ पे हमारा 1 आ गया, then beta by RB plus RE हमारा constant है. Now we know that VCC is a biasing voltage जो कि constant है and इसका differentiation is going to be equal to 0. VB is equal to 0.7 volt in case of silicon diode which is also a constant, तो इसका भी differentiation 0 and ICRE का अगर हम लोग differentiation करें so RE is going to be as a constant and IC के respect में differentiation is equal to 1. And यहाँ पे we know that stability factor is equal to DIC by DICBO. अगर हम लोग इसको inverse कर दें so we are going to get this value as 1 by S. So we have just substituted the value here. Now we just have to take the LCM and do the solving, from which we are going to get the value of stability factor as beta plus 1 times RB plus RE by RB plus beta plus 1 times RE. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास है हमारा जनरल एक्सप्रेशन to calculate stability factor which is equal to beta plus 1 by 1 minus beta times DIB by DIC. Now in the first equation we can see that IB और IC यहाँ पे related हैं, so we just have to differentiate this particular equation with respect to IC and we are going to get the value as minus RE by RB plus RE. And अगर हम लोग इसको यहाँ पे put कर देंगे so you can see that we are going to get the same value which we were getting here. And similarly हम लोग S prime की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं which is DIC by DVB at constant beta and ICBO and उसका output है that is minus beta by RB plus beta plus 1 times RE. Now let us talk about the stability factor for collective feedback biasing. So here we have a circuit and we are going to follow the same steps. So first of all we are going to apply KVL in the input part of the circuit. So we'll get the equation as VCC minus IC plus IB times RC, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग KCL अप्लाई करें so we can see that this is going to be equal to IC plus IB minus IBRB minus VB is equal to 0 and यहाँ पे हम लोग IB को common ले लेंगे. So here if we compare it with the emitter bias you can see that RE has been replaced by RC. So from here we will get the value of IB as VCC minus VB minus ICRC by RB plus RC. उसके बाद we are going to follow the same step that is IC is equal to beta times IB plus beta plus 1 times ICBO. यहाँ पे हम लोग IB की वैल्यू को पुट कर देंगे and same here you can see that RE is just replaced by RC. So from here we don't even need to calculate the value, we can directly write the stability factor as beta plus 1 times RB plus RC by RB plus beta plus 1 times RC and you can just compare it with the emitter bias configuration. And यही same चीज हमारी S prime में भी होती है. So you can see that in collective feedback biasing S prime is equal to minus beta by RB plus beta plus 1 times RC and in the case of emitter bias configuration you can see that it is minus beta by RB plus beta plus 1 times RE. So we have just replaced RE with RC. So that was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.